What's going on, everybody, and welcome to the first day of no virtual queues at Walt Disney World. So no more virtual queue for Tiana's Bayou adventure or Cosmic Rewind over at EPCOT. Today I'm going to see how this kind of impacts the other lines around the park, since now more people can go get in line for these attractions. Might make the other rides have a little less of a wait time. So we're going to start at Magic Kingdom, and then we'll make our way over to EPCOT. Let's go! Bit of a gloomy day here so far. It was very misty on my ride over here. Not looking like the sun's gonna come out today, but that's alright. We've got some really hot and humid days just around the corner, so I'll enjoy it. We're gonna make our way over to Tiana's and see what's going on over there. Now I can kind of see both sides for the whole virtual queue thing. On the one hand, it kind of keeps it orderly when a brand new attraction opens, so that if you do get a boarding group, your wait time isn't, 2 to 3 hours long. But on the other hand, if you have traveled far and wide to come here for a vacation, there's a chance that you might not be able to ride the new attraction because you weren't able to get a boarding group. So, I don't know. A little bit of a crowded day today, so I'm expecting this queue to be, I'm going to assume around 2 hours for Tiana's. I think of the two of them, Guardians is going to have the longer wait. It also doesn't help that Big Thunder Mountain Railroad is closed, because this can swallow up a lot of people while they're standing in line. So that might impact what we're about to see today even more. Let's head over here and see what's going on. Wow, I stand corrected, and I'm actually kind of shocked. It is only a 40-minute wait for Tiana's on the first day with no boarding group. I was really expecting over an hour. That's a really good wait time for Tiana's. How about that? I'm honestly really shocked at a 40-minute wait time for Tiana's, especially on the first day. You figure people were rushing over here since there's no more virtual queues. That's fantastic, especially with Big Thunder Mountain down, because this is a big people eater. You guys know what I mean when I say people eater? There are certain rides that can eat up a lot of people in the park. So, I'm going to head into Critter Co-op, see if there's anything new. Since Tiana's is open, I've been looking for a piece of merch with my favorite character on it, Larry. See, I would like a little plush like this with Larry. They have the turtle. They have the raccoon down here. They also have this sleeping little cuddle pal, the Lewis. How much is Lewis? No price from good old Louie. For $80, they have this Lewis hoodie. It says Tiana's Bayou Adventure right here. It's got like a gator belly, and then Lewis is on the hood. Oh, he's got like a whole little tail down there. This is all the merch I've been seeing since opening day. Got a t-shirt here. Shortcut to the Bayou. $40. $40 for a t-shirt? This is kind of new. The design is old, but the hoodie's new. What's the front look like? Oh, it's a zip-up. How much is this? The zip-up is going to cost you $70. Got this little pouch here. That's $20. I do love some Disney socks. How much are these? No price on the socks. Let me try another one. Nope. Got another t-shirt here. This t-shirt's $35. Nothing on the back. You got your Tiana's lounge flies. Lounge fly is $80, and your Spirit jersey. This is one thing I'm glad I never got into, because these are getting more and more expensive. This is $85, and it glows in the dark. How about that? Here's the front down here. This is a new shirt. I haven't seen this before. It's kind of like an all-over print. I don't see it anywhere in the store, but I haven't seen this shirt before. Kind of thick. So since we went in the store and came back over here, which was about 10 minutes, it's already dropped to a 35-minute wait. Hey, 5 minutes is 5 minutes. Time is money at Disney World. Now the queue does stretch pretty far back outside, so I don't know. Could be 35, could be 40 minutes. I'm not going to test it out today, though. Just going to let everybody ride and enjoy who maybe hasn't gotten to see it yet. All right, onward. I popped into the other little small shop that you go in right as soon as you exit Tiana's. No Larry merch. I'm surprised. The day Larry's on a piece of merch, I'll be here. Whether it's a pin, a plush, a shirt, give me something with Larry on it. If you guys are wondering who I'm talking about with Larry, I don't even know if it's pronounced Larry, but I call him Larry. It's spelled L-A-R-I. Larry's an armadillo. And he's in a couple scenes on Tiana's. I like him. Little grumpy looking armadillo. Alright, so now we're going to make our way... Oh my god. Hey, Tim.
Hey, how's it going?
Tim Tracker. Alright, so now we're going to make our way around and... See, that was crazy. I'm like speechless. We're going to make our way around and see what the rest of the wait times are looking like. Completely lost my train of thought when I was walking past Tim. I don't even think I got him in the frame. But anyway, we're going to go check out some more popular attractions and see if Tiana's is pulling people from usually going on those and see if those wait times are any shorter. Stopped by the world famous Jungle Cruise, and it is longer than Tiana's. 45-minute wait. How about that? I was almost positive Tiana's was going to have at least an hour wait, maybe 90 minutes. Continuing on, Haunted Mansion says it's a 55-minute wait, but it's looking pretty crowded. I mean, the line extends all the way back to the riverboat, so I don't know about that. This is such a weird day so far. Small World was a 45-minute wait. Peter Pan was a 60-minute wait. So far, one of your shortest wait times is Tiana's the first day it doesn't have a virtual queue. What is going on? Okay, Space Mountain sitting at a 50-minute wait. And so I don't have to walk over to Tron. We're at a 70-minute wait for Tron. I mean, I could have done this all along, but where's the fun in that? All right, I'm going to start making my way out of here and go see what the situation is looking like at EPCOT. Right before I head out, I just wanted to check Tiana's one more time, and it has jumped up to a 60-minute wait. It's 2:21 right now. So I'm not sure if the time has to do with it. I'm not sure if the weather has to do with it. It was a little chilly earlier when I got here, but it's starting to heat up now. And for that reason, I was going to take the monorail over to EPCOT, but I'm going to go grab the car. That way I can take off this hoodie and get some layers off. Made it over to EPCOT. Ditched the jacket. I was going to leave my bag too, but if it rains, I need somewhere to put this camera. I just got this bad boy. I'm not trying to mess it up. Got some blue skies peeking out, but we still got this going on over here. So you never know in Florida, and it's pretty gray over there too. But all right, let's get in there and see what's happening. Not a whole lot of people heading into EPCOT, but I'm willing to bet Guardians of the Galaxy is going to have a long line. I didn't check the app. I want to see for myself, kind of scope it out, see what's going on. Spaceship Earth's only a 15-minute wait. It's a little after 3 o'clock, so a lot of people have had a chance to really get in line already and experience Guardians. Very interested in seeing how long the wait's going to be. You guys are not going to believe this. I don't know if you can see the sign from here. It's only a 60-minute wait. And I say only because this has got to be the most popular attraction right now in all of Walt Disney World. It's either this or Flight of Passage still. I think 60 minutes is a really good wait time for the first day, too. Now, crowd capacity is going to determine a lot of things as we move forward, but not bad. 60 minutes for Guardians. I'm going to go in the gift shop and see if they got anything new. So overall, not a bad day for the first day. No virtual queues. I could have ridden Tiana's and I could easily ride Guardians. Treasures of Xandar. We got a lot of Groot stuff. Got a Groot hoodie, different ages of Groot. That's kind of cool. That's $60. Got a King Groot t-shirt for $35. We got Baby Groot on baby clothes. Baby Groot ears. I'm not sure the ears. I couldn't find a price on the ears. I would assume in the $35 range. This child's like hoodie dress kind of thing is $45. Got a Groot water bottle holder. That's $40. Wow. But it does have a sling strap. A couple mugs.
That's very
Kind of like this rocket one. My bite is worse than my bark. $20. Not a bad price for a mug. Oh, little planter. $25.
and I am delighted to offer my wares to you.
And a little baby Groot plush.
From Xandar.
$25.
Of the universe.
You can get a rocket raccoon tail for $25. I do like these Loki ears.
Isn't that lovely?
Those are different. I haven't seen these before.
One for yourself, and one to bring home to a friend.
Oh, there's the price, $35.
That is the Xandarian custom.
Found a couple cool shirts. This one's got all your Guardians on there. $35. Is that the back? I think that's the back. That's the front. Oh, it's a pocket tee. I like this one. No price on that. I would assume $35 as well. These are on sale. $25 each if you buy two. Get a women's cut Guardians. But I do really like this sweatshirt here. Otherworld Showcase. Sweater's $55. And they do still have the Star-Lord jacket. This is $100. Kind of feels like a leather. I don't know if it really is leather, but... This is a good little trinket for $15. The actual ride vehicle with Rocket and Groot. $65. They have a Guardian zip up. This one's a little bit thick.
I suggest that if you are interested in one of my wares,
I really like this shirt, but it's white. I don't really do white, but I do like the design on this. $35. What's the front look like? Not bad. I would prefer to have that on the front. They do still have the Infinity Gauntlets, so you can get Thanos. And there's plenty in stock. They have the Iron Man. Now these come without the stones, but if you have the stones in them, it'll look something like that. But something new to me, they have a Black Panther one now too.
good day, terrorists.
That's the one I would buy. That's awesome.
And welcome to the treasures of Xandar.
And they have Loki's scepter, which is in this case right here. This is $120.
Denominations, and you don't have to worry about converting your credits.
Pricey stuff. Here's the pack of Infinity Stones. They all come in a nice little carrying case. This is $40. So if you bought a gauntlet and the stones, you're looking at $140 plus tax. Pricey souvenirs. Just came over to check on old Test Track. Looks like we got some workers up there doing some things. And I was just thinking, Test Track is still down. This can hold a lot of people in the queue, and Guardians only has a 60-minute wait. So maybe when they get Test Track open, you'd be looking at maybe like a 40-minute wait for Guardians. I'm sure a lot of people are going to want to check out Test Track when it reopens anyway. It's going to be newish. It is definitely time for some Flower and Garden Festival. Wish the sun was out. A little bit better lighting. This cloudy day doesn't really do this flower arrangement justice. I'm gonna go check on Frozen. I feel like Frozen always has a long line. Yep, there it is. Frozen, 120-minute wait. Is Frozen the king of Epcot? Is Frozen the most popular attraction at Epcot? I'm starting to think so. Well, I'm headed out, and this was not what I was expecting to see today. I thought Tiana's would be well over an hour for a wait time, at least 90 minutes, and I thought Guardians was going to have like a 2-hour wait time. I just checked the app again. Tiana's has dropped to a 55-minute wait, and we just went and checked on Guardians. That's at an hour. Very strange. Now, there's a lot of factors that could play into this. It was a little chilly out earlier in the day, so maybe people at Magic Kingdom really weren't looking to get wet. And Guardians, Epcot opened at 9. We checked it at 3 p.m., so it could have got a lot of people through. So, I don't know. We'll see what happens as time goes on. I'm excited for Test Track to reopen and have a fully functioning Epcot. I think that'll even pull wait times down more for Guardians. Frozen, that's a whole nother story. I'll see you real soon, and if your dreams don't come true, make them.